Hello, colleagues, partners, and friends. I'm Bill Wang. As we mark the Chinese Lunar New Year on February 17, we welcome the Year of the Horse and a new year of opportunity ahead. Let me share a little about traditional Chinese New Year customs. Festive decorations in bright red create a warm atmosphere, blending celebration with a spirit of good fortune. On New Year's Eve, after the reunion dinner, elders typically distribute red packets to children. The color red symbolizes pushing away bad energy and sharing good luck and prosperity with friends. Before New Year, we clean the house to sweep away the past year's bad luck, dust, to make room for new fortune. In the Chinese Zodiac, the horse is the seventh animal in the 1-2 year cycle and is widely associated with energy, speed, freedom, and determination. The Year of the Horse represents moving ahead with confidence, pursuing new opportunities, and achieving success through dedication and hard work. Happy Lunar New Year to my friends, colleagues, and partners around the world. May the year ahead bring you good health, exciting breakthroughs, and continued success. Wishing you a year filled with breakthroughs, strong partnerships, and continued success both professionally and personally. Finally, I, Bill Wang, would like to offer you a traditional blessing. Dao Cheng Gong, may you achieve success the moment the horse arrives.